UNESCO is determined to continue to act as a forum in this global conversation and cooperation in all the areas of our mandate: culture, education, sciences, and communication. We have extremely powerful tools, if not a huge budget, but very powerful tools, to build a better world based on dialogue, on respect, and on human dignity. We must take full advantage of them, build on them, and the recognition of the universal value of intangible heritage is one of these powerful tools. 15 years ago, after the adoption of this convention, the idea that culture is a very broad set of creation, expression, and human practices, this idea is now firmly established in the international community. It has opened up new horizons, particularly for development. Because culture is not, definitely not, exclusive, a closed realm. On the contrary, it is something that belongs to daily life of all the world's population, and that helps to provide answers for very real problems, such as food security, health, social cohesion, education, protection of biodiversity.
Setting up of UNESCO after World War II and its objective of building peace in the minds of men and women brought in a new era of peace, tolerance, and mutual understanding. We have to stand together for the protection and promotion of all human values. Whatever we have created, built, invented, and used during centuries is the collective heritage of humanity. We have to assume our collective responsibility. Intangible cultural heritage represents values, expertise, skills, knowledge, understanding nature and the environment, and information sustained over centuries. It is the bond between the past, the present, and the future. It marks our history and identity. It also covers human creativity and expression. What are the immaterial elements that constitute our intangible cultural heritage? Traditions, oral history, performing arts, social practices, traditional craftsmanship, knowledge and skills. These are some of the elements that have been transmitted from generation to generation. In the Mauritian social and cultural setup, we have an array of traditions that is worthy of being kept and transmitted to future generations. All peoples make their contribution to the culture of the world. It is the duty of one and all to respect, protect, and safeguard cultural heritage through national laws and international treaties. At the national level here, we have the National Heritage Act, and at the international level, there is the 2003 UNESCO Convention for the Safeguarding of the Intangible Cultural Heritage, and of course a number of other international treaties that touch upon or concern culture and heritage.